Hello, data protection officers and data governance officers of the Data Protection Excellence Network. I bring you today the update for August, and the theme is data governance is getting high levels of attention. So what do I mean? First, we have two high-level events just in the last 1.5 weeks. And first one is actually with the Smart Nation and Digital Governance Office of the Singapore government. Right, 150 plus officers were there talking about, issues of data governance at the public sector. Next, we have KEOs of real estate. They came together, right? And we talk about, what is coming up already post-pandemic in terms of digital transformations and the impact of data governance. So we talk about, the competencies and higher due diligence they are facing in their tenders, for example, for projects, especially from overseas. And many of them have realized that, they did not know about the pathway, right? The roadmap and even initiatives from the government to help in this area. And some of them who are doing regional projects have realized that they are facing these kind of issues also, not just from the Singapore side, but also in other countries. And their HQ is here. So there is plenty of help available, and especially those who have taken on new vendors, right? Digital transformation has been very evident in this industry due to a lot of face-to-face that has went online, right? And this is something that, we are seeing a lot of requests right now from people. How do I transition this? Because of the regulations and also from the partners, right, that they're working with having tighter due diligence. So the recommendation really is look at how do you paint a roadmap for your own DPO, and some of the smaller firms, it might be the senior executives who are the DPO. There is a roadmap, right? And towards data governance, those who are doing regional. And we actually have different starting points for people, whether SME, whether in-house, or whether you're consulting, right? So talk to us, have a strategy call, no obligations, right? And we work through this particular roadmap, right? Next, we have a real life lawyer who's a partner in the firm talking about the benefits of him being trained in operational compliance and getting certified, and that has put him in good stead. So we have part 2 of the video here, and including article, right? Because he's looking at regional laws. Next, talking about regional laws, we have Thailand, right, who is enforcing this year. So we have Dr. Prapanpong, who shares a background on developments of Thai law, right? The PDPA in Thailand. And for videos in Data Protection Excellence Network, we even created a video for data breach management. What could be good practices that you want to look out for? And there are plenty of videos that we put out at the Data Protection Excellence Network through our YouTube. You look for Straits Interactive, go subscribe, and you will get the latest videos that we put out. Right, we put out weekly videos, right? Whether it's enforcement or regional developments that you have seen or highlights. So don't miss out, right? Go to our YouTube, our Facebook, our LinkedIn, and join in the conversations there, and even in the DPEX Network itself, right? There are forums as well, and there are articles coming out weekly. So I hope to see you all there, and also with future events coming up. So it's been exciting meeting, the CXOs and the KEOs in the last 2 weeks, and we actually have plenty of questions in the recent DPO roundtable as well, right? So much so I think we're going to put an FAQ together, so look out for that. Be a subscriber and then you'll be notified. All right, cheers.